Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check seller ratings on Amazon. This is incredibly useful when you want to verify a seller's reputation before making a purchase, ensuring you're dealing with a trustworthy vendor. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. This step gives you full access to all the features we'll be using today. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Amazon homepage. Direct your attention to the top search bar, which is your gateway to finding any product on the platform. Click on it and type in the name of the product or item you're interested in purchasing. Once you've entered your search term, press enter to see the results. Amazon will now display a list of products matching your search. Browse through the options and click on the specific product or item you want to evaluate. This takes you to the product detail page where you'll find all the information about the item, including pricing, descriptions, and crucially, seller information. Now scroll down the page and focus on the right panel. Here you'll see various details about the product. Navigate to the section that says Sold By, and you'll notice a hyperlink right next to it. This hyperlink displays the seller's name. Go ahead and click on it to access the seller's profile page. Once you're on the seller's profile, look over to the upper left panel. You'll see a star rating displayed there, which gives you an at-a-glance view of the seller's overall reputation. Next to these stars, you'll find a hyperlink showing the rating percentage. Click on this hyperlink to dive deeper into the seller's performance history. After clicking, you'll be taken to a more detailed ratings page. Here's where it gets really useful. You'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to view the seller's ratings from previous months. Click on this drop-down to explore how consistently the seller has performed over time. This historical view is particularly valuable because it shows you whether the seller maintains quality service or if their ratings have fluctuated. By following these steps, you can now make more informed purchasing decisions on Amazon by thoroughly checking seller ratings and their performance history. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.